wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Hello Miss. I'm Maharani M. Janati. Now I will present my resume about types of text in English. Definition of text. Text is a piece of writing that is composed of sentences that have context. In literary theory, text is anything that can be read, whether it is a literary word, a street sign, or a style of clothing. So, actually, there are only 8 to 10 types of text that are often studied in English. However, now I will explain 9 types of text that exist in English. For the first, descriptive text aims to describe or explain to the reader about a person, place, object, animal, and other things in detail. The structure of the descriptive text is the identification and description. This sample text is usually quite long because it has to be detailed. The next is explanation text. Simple part, descriptive text, it contains an explanation that answers the question what or why. Well, explanation text is a type of text to answer how question. So, explanatory text serves to explain how something can happen. It is logical and detailed. The structure of explanation text is a general statement, explanation, and sum at it with a conclusion. The next is recount text. Recount text is a text that explains story or experience from past events. For example, story about traveling, participating in competition, and so on. The structure of the recount text is orientation, series of events, then ends with reorientation. The next is narrative text. Narrative text is a text that is usually used a material for storytelling or fairy tales in Indonesian or English. The generic structure of narrative text is orientation, complication, resolution, and finally reorientation. The next is report text. Report text is used to write reports or information from an object, or it could be from research results. In report text, an object will be described in general. In this text, the generic structure is a general classification and a description. The next is news item text. This text contains information that deserves to be newsworthy. The author will convey page about the occurrence of an important event or events, with the aim of the audience being more updated. This text structure consists of main event, elaboration, and research of information. The next is procedure text. Procedure text contains a description of the making of something. Generic structure of procedure text is purpose, ingredients, materials, and tools, and steps. The next is exposition text. Exposition text is a text that contains an argument or opinion in response to an issue that is busy happening in the midst of society. The structure of the exposition text is thesis, argument, and reiteration. Finally, discussion text. Discussion text that you can use to convey opinions or arguments on issues that occur. The difference is in this text, it can be filed with opinions that come from more than one person. A generic structure of discussion text is a statement of issue, supporting points, contrast point, and recommendation. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching.